Hello guys, today we are going to test one of the most dangerous vulnerability in web application. So the name is, it's a no rate limiting attack. So here we are going to learn about the email bombing attack. So this is the most common vulnerability in the web application and it is very dangerous. Okay, we can able to fulfill the we can able to full the victim email account, and also we can able to disturb the victim by sending a uh, large number of a bulk of email to the victim account. Okay, so basically what is a no rate limiting? Okay, so first of all, here we have a client and here we have a web server. Basically, if the client give a request to a web server, the web server execute this request and send the result through the response. This is a normal communication of a website. But in the no rate limiting, what the attacker can do, the attacker send a first request, same time the attacker send a second request, okay, and third, fourth, and fifth, and attacker send an n number of requests to the server. Okay, n number of requests to the server. If the server executes this request, okay, so listen carefully. If the server executes this request, so if the server execute all these requests at the time, so there is an no rate limiting. Okay, so this is the no rate limiting attack. Basically, one more time, okay, the attacker send a huge number of requests to the web server. The web server takes the request and executes it, so the no rate limiting bug arises. So this is the concept of no rate limiting. Okay, so here we are going to test a email bombing attack. This most common attack in web application, and we can see it in huge. Okay, so if I give the email, one second, if I give no rate limiting HackerOne, so I am going to read a first report. So here you can see the HackerOne report. The report was created by the Vance Devagan and the bounty is 500. Okay, so improper authentication generic. Okay, so what the attack, what the person did. Okay, yeah, go to the link. She just go to the link and lost password. So enter the email, click on the forgot password, and step 2, he got these responses. Okay, so that thing what they can do, so now send the request to the intruder and repeat it 100 times by fixing any arbitrary payloads which does not affect request. Okay, so basically what we are going to do, so see this report. In this report, what things are present, these things we are going to do it here. Okay, so first of all, step 1, go to the link and not VPN and lost password. So here I am selected my own website. It's a cybertron.1.in. This is our own website. What I'm doing here, I just go to the cybertron.1.in. Okay, so in this video I am going to present, so what this attacker did in the report, I am going to present in this video. Okay, so by this video you can able to test the email bombing attack, so that you can also achieve this type of bounty from the HackerOne, Bugcrowd and all these bug bounty platforms, because the no rate limiting is one of the most dangerous bugs, and it is also available in huge sites. Okay, so first of all, I just go to the cybertron.1.in and I am going to login page. So what I am going to do, I just click on the forgot password. What the attacker did, okay, what the person did it here. They click on the forgot password. I also click on my own website forgot password. Here it shows to reset your password. Please enter your email address or username below. So I am going to type my email address. Okay, yeah. So let me check it if the mail ID is already registered or not. Okay, oh, sorry, let I going to register this. Okay, so I am going to register. Okay, so that I can able to clear you. I am going to set the username as Biju JK, but my name is Ajay. So okay, we did as Ajay R, and the first name is Ajay, and last name is R, and I'm going to paste this email address here. So I'm giving the password as A B C D E F G H and 1 2 3 at. Okay, so same it in here, A B C D E F G H 1 2 3 at, and register. So username contain invalid character. Let me choose by 01606. Let me choose this. Okay, A B C D E F G H 1 2 3 at A B C D E F G H 1 2 3 at. Okay, yeah. So I am going to register this email. Let us wait, it takes some time. Okay, so now it is registered successfully. Okay, you can see here my name and my post and my commands and my profile in here. What I'm going to do, I just log out this account. I'm going to log in once again. Here I'm going to give a forgot password. I'm going to paste the link in here. Same time I'm going to open my email ID. So already I said from this attack we can able to send a huge number of email message to the victim account. So I am choosing the victim's account. Okay, this is the account I just choose. So what I am going to do, I am going to reset my just give a reset a password, and the same time I am going to my Bob suite. Okay, so 1 second, I just open my Bob suite. Okay, so my Bob suite gets started. Same time I'm going to options, and I'm going to set a proxy. Okay, so I just set all these things, and I'm going to start my Bob suite. So let me read one more time what this Vance Devagan do. Okay, did. Okay, so they go step 3. Okay, they step 3 they did. Now send the request to the intruder. Okay, just we did the step 2. Okay, I am going to my proxy, just going to intercept. I'm going to turn on my intercept, and the same time I'm going to capture these request. Okay, I'm going to capture these request. Okay, reset my password request. I just give reset my password. So my request get captured inside the bub suite. What I'm going to do, I click on the action. So in here, this attacker send this request to the intruder. The same way, I'm going to click on the action. I'm going to send the intruder. Okay. So I just go to the intruder. I am going to the positions. In this position, I am going to first of all I clear all these, okay, all this unwanted selection. Okay, so I am going to click on the nearby the Firefox. Okay, Firefox 84.0. I just click on this near, so you can see the orange color, okay, mark is running. Okay, so I just click on it here and I am giving add and add. Okay, 2 times add. By clicking on the 2 times add, you can see the 2 times yes symbol. Okay, like a dollar symbol 2 times. Okay, dollar symbol 2 times. So I am going to the payloads. What I am going to do, I am going to send a more large number of requests to the same email account. What the request? So forget the password mail. Okay, so by these request, okay, by these request, this Cybertron not one dot in send a forgot password reset link. Okay, so basically when you go to the any web application, if you give the forgot password, so what it did, so it give you a link or it will give you a OTP to enter and you want to reset a password, right? So the same thing, this website give you a link to the victim to restore his password. Okay, so by this link, okay, by this basically if I give reset my password, it will send a one link, right? It will send a one link and one link or it will send a one time OTP. Okay, right? What if I send 100 request? Okay, what if I send 100 request? Okay, so the email ID get filled. Okay, the email ID get filled, the email, okay, the email account get filled and the victim get disturbed by this attack. Okay, what I'm going to do, I just go to the payloads and I'm going to select a brute forcer and I'm going to select ABCDE. So this much enough. Okay, so if you want to send a more number of requests, you can add. Okay, so you can add by, so you just see that. Okay, if the character set is ABCDE, the payload count is 625. What is the 625? It will send a 625 request. It will send a 625 request to this mail account. Okay, if it send a 625 request to this mail account, the victim get disturbed and the victim email account get filled. Okay, this is the main idea of the no rate limiting. Okay, so in email bombering attack, so I just go to the brute forcer and I just give a, okay, I just turn off my proxy and I'm going to give the, just open the email so you can see it in live. Okay, I just start an attack. Let me wait what it did. Okay, so here you can see it will send a huge number of requests. Once I refresh my mail, so you can see it here, it will send a reset password. Okay, so it will send a reset password for first time, and so see it here, it will send a another reset password. Okay, so another reset password, you can see it here. Okay, so it will send a first time reset password and second time reset password. Okay, so third time it also it will send a reset password. It will sending the reset password to my mail account. Okay, so how many times it will send? Here you can see the payload count. It will send a 625 times. Okay, so I just skip it. Okay, so this is the way of attack. So this is the way to test the email bombering attack. So what we did in here, the same way this person did. Okay, so this person go to the intruder. Okay, and they repeated 100 times by fixing the arbitrary payloads. We also set the A B C D E of the arbitrary payload. I choose the sub language, and okay, so what we did, the same attacker also did the same. Okay, so see, you will get a 200 OK status and email, check the email in your inbox. Okay, so what this attacker did, the same way we did the attack, right? So see the bounty of the testing. Okay, it's a $500. It's a good bounty. Okay, so now you can understand the email bombering attack. Okay, once more I just explain it. What we did it here, we send a first request, okay, first reset link, and we second reset link, and we'll send we just send a third reset link. Okay, what we basically did in the email bombering attack, let me explain one more time in a proper way. Okay, so what we did in the video, first of all, we send a first request to the server, right? And we send a second request to the server. Okay, by this way we just sent a 625 request. Okay, by this way we just sent a 625 request. First of all, I just say, if the attacker send a huge number of requests, if the web server take the request and execute this is called as the no rate limiting attack. So now what our web server did, it takes all the requests, and the web server execute these requests and send the response to the client by the email, right? By the email. So this is the way of testing the email bombering attack. Okay, but in our website you just notice that we just received a 3 password reset mail. Okay, 3 password reset mail, because we just set a, okay, so because we just set a security limit. Okay, rate limiting. In here we just set a security in our website. Okay, so you can see that you have reached the limit for the requesting password change for this user already. Contact support if you cannot open this mail. Okay, so what it say, your rate limit is reached. Okay, so for an example, if you use your Android mobile, if you give the lock for 5 times you just giving the wrong password. Okay, 5 times you are giving the wrong password, what it say, please unlock after 2 minutes. Okay, the same thing, okay, the same thing we did in our web application. So the web application is secure from the email bombering attack. It is secure. Okay, because it has the rate limiting. Okay, if there is no rate limiting, okay, so what our site will do, our site will send a 625 mails to the victim account. Okay, it will send a 625 mail to the victim account. Okay, now we have a rate limiting. So what it did, it will just send a 3 mails. Okay, it will just send a 3 password reset mails to the victim account. After the 3 mails, actually the limit is reached. Okay, so the attacker can't able to send a large number of mail to the victim's account. So our website is secured. But if you can test the HackerOne or the Bugcrowd, there's a lot of web application is available by this bug. Okay, so you can see the second report. In this report also they did the same thing. Okay, email bomb hack. Okay, create and denial of service. So this bug is available in so many web application. Here you can see the no rate limiting on password forgot password page, what we did, the same this person also did, right? So this is the way of testing the no rate limiting attack email bombering. Okay, so this is the email bombering attack. We are sending the n number of requests to the server. The server takes the request and executes this request, and the server send a response to the client. Even if we send a 625 request, if we send a 625 password reset request, so what the server did, the server take the request and executes it here, and the server send a response 625 response to the victim's mail account. So this is the theory and the practical testing of email bombering attack. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, and see you in the next video. Thank you.